back to my channel. Compliments of this season to every one of you watching this video. Hope you guys are good and you're having an amazing time this season. I mean, Christmas is the most beautiful time of the year, one of my favorite seasons in the year actually, and I'm just so excited. According to the title already, you guys know we're doing what's in my bag Christmas edition. Alright, so first things first, yeah, before we even dive into that, I want to quickly do a product review first. I picked up this product from Zara Cosmetics. This is the skin regenerating hydrating serum. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it and I decided to check it out. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute bottle and it's in 32 ml. I hear that it's supposed to lock in moisture for about 24 hours, and it also improves your skin texture, and it leaves your skin, you know, looking flawless. It hydrates the skin. There are a lot of good things they listed here, and I can tell you for a fact I'm using it for about 2 days now, and I love how it leaves my skin. Usually when I use some other moisturizers, my skin will still get oily maybe after an hour or two, but this doesn't. Like, my skin just stays hydrated. It's not exactly matte, it stays hydrated, but the oil that my skin produces during the day, it's like it literally like reduces that amount, and I love it. It retails for about 4,950 naira, and I'm going to leave a link in my description box below if you need to shop this product, so definitely go get it. So I'm just going to apply a small amount on my face, and it has this very nice fragrance to it, which I love, and I'm just going to gently massage that into my skin. Yeah. Alright, so down to the first thing that's in my bag. I'm just going to open it. This is what my bag looks like. My bag is like really cute and small. I love small bags. So first things first in my bag, I always carry in my bag, are my sunglasses. Hello, this is December. For some reason it has been raining here in Benin, Nigeria. I don't know why. Like, Harmattan has not started yet, like, but it's a bit cold. I like how the weather is right now. It's really cold. It rains like, it has been raining for about 3 or 4 days now, and the weather is really chilled, but I never ever leave the house without my sunglasses. This guy always comes in handy every time, like, I'm out and the sun is blasting or blazing, you know. I just pop this on and, you know, I look cute. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this guy is always in my bag. And the very next thing are face masks. You guys, of course, this year has taught us a lot about wearing face masks, and yeah, so a face mask is always in my bag, especially when you're you know, you need to go out and you know you're going to have, for example, like, you need to get into the bank, somewhere, anywhere. Basically, most of these organizations, they will not let you enter the building if you don't wear a face mask or have one on you. Sometimes you don't even have to wear it. Some people just put it on their face and hang it under their jaw, and as long as they see it on you, they allow you enter. Fun fact, yeah, this is like a mini story. I was in the bank one day. I needed to see some the customer care service, so we stay outside. A lot of people will sit outside, and then they start to share numbers for us. I think I was about 250, I guess, yeah, but I didn't care. I needed to see them, so I sat outside. And where we're sitting, you see a lot of these people hawking face masks. You know, they come around. I'm going to pull up a picture right here for you guys to see if you haven't seen them before. So there's a little girl. She came and she was like, buy your face mask, 100 naira. And then the lady that was sitting down beside me realized that she didn't have any face mask on, and they're not going to let her into the banking hall if she doesn't have one. So she called the girl and bring one. So the girl came, you know, she had a lot of face masks on her hand like this. I was like, oh my god. So the lady collected the first one, she put it on her face. She was like, this one will be my size. She collected another one, she put it on her face. She looked at it, she pulled it. She was like, I don't like the color. She picked the third. I was like, madam, are you serious? What is going on here? She said, I did test them. I'm like, you're not supposed to test it. Jesus Christ. Other people are going to buy this thing. Imagine if everybody keeps testing this face mask. What are we even protecting ourselves for again? Is it COVID? Whatever it is you have, you've tested about 3 face masks already. Now she's going to sell those face masks to innocent people that she was like, I don't know now. I just they say make I test and not myself. I'm like, guy, you can literally eyeball this thing. I mean, you can look at it and say, oh, okay, this will fit, you know, or this will not fit. I don't even blame them, because now everybody is now sewing. Like, a lot of people have gone into the business of doing sewing face masks, and most of the time they get it right. Sometimes they make it really small that it cannot even fit your ear to your ear, and sometimes they make it really big and it's like falling off your face. So the lady is like, I need to find the one that fits me. I cannot waste my 100 naira. And that's about face masks, and that's my little story about it. The very next thing in my purse is my phones. Hello. I feel like in Nigeria, almost everybody has one big phone and one small phone. It's like, it's what we do. We get one big phone for internet. I mean, the 2 phones are actually very important. If you forget your small phone at home, you're probably thinking, oh god, why did I forget it? Like, I think majority of us, when we have small phones, your main line, your business line is here, and sometimes these small phones actually come in like 2 SIM, so you have like opportunity of putting at least 2 SIM card in here. And when this type of phones, they usually come with 1, but except this one, this Samsung phone comes with a space for 2 SIM, which is also really good, and the battery life is really strong compared to an iPhone, you see. So a lot of us usually just have one small phone and one big phone. Basically, your business line is here, and you're also using your business line here as your WhatsApp number here. So the 2 phones are actually quite important anyway. So you get to write down things, you know, reply emails, you know, send messages, receive calls. It's very important. So the next thing in my bag is my ATM card. Like, hello, Jesus, guy. Like, a lot of us really walk around without cash these days. I mean, like, maybe you have like some change with you, but your ATM cards are always with you, except you deliberately leave them at home, you know, to stop you or restrict you from spending so much. Otherwise, my ATM card is always in my purse because I use it a lot. Especially when I don't have cash, I use my cards a lot. And yeah, that's for that. The very next thing in my purse are my keys. Jesus, my keys are not very fancy, but I like the little pin. This like comes in handy if you're using an iPhone or a Samsung as well, because you might need to remove your SIM or change something. You just pop, once you press this here, the SIM pack will pop up. This is like so important, so I always just hang this here. It really comes in handy. So my house key is always in my bag, always in my bag. I check it every time. Last but not the least are lip balms and a lip gloss. Hello, this is Harmattan season, and you need this in your life. Basically, you need a lip balm in every bag. In your car, you need it in your car, you need it in your purse, you need it in your pockets, you need it every time. Honestly, that reminds me, I haven't even applied a lip balm today, so yeah. And trust me, just that one application is not enough, because by the time you walk or before you get to where you're going to, you probably have licked lip balm off your lips. So you need to have it on you so that you can keep reapplying it every time. And sometimes I always go ahead and add this lip gloss to it, because I naturally have dark lips, and sometimes people tend to look at me like, are you sure you don't used to behind the scenes? So in order to get that attention away from my lips, I keep them looking at me. I'm talking about lip balms are always with me every time. And the lip gloss, I love this lip gloss because it's pinkish, and so it gives my lip that beautiful pink vibe color. Absolutely amazing. I'm even going to apply it now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, do you see that? Yeah, it gives my lips that, you know, beautiful look, and I just love it. So these are the few things in my bag. I don't like carrying loads, so I don't know about you, but this Christmas edition. This is all I have in my bag. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment down below what other videos you'd love to see on my channel, and I'll definitely get right to it. So here are additional things I feel like people should carry. Sometimes I carry them as well. My phone charger. Woo! Especially when I know I'm going to be out for a long time. I mean, like maybe for the whole day. I carry my iPhone charger because you never know, your battery might just be flat and you need to do something important, so your charger always comes in handy. And if you don't carry your charger, some people carry power banks all the time, and all they need to do is to carry their cord and their power banks and they're good to go. So that also comes in handy. Sometimes people carry hairbrush. I think what you carry in your bag is basically particular to you and you know what you're used to. I know some people carry novels, pen. Yes, this is another thing I forget to always put in my bag, because sometimes you're inside the bank or somewhere, you need to write something down and you start looking for, please can I borrow your pen, please can I borrow your pen. So yeah, this guy is so important, you know, so it should also be in your bag every time. You know, you never know when you need to sign that $1 million check, you know. But anyway, basically this is what I have in my bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.